La Cantina Mexican Grill. Nakain kami ni jowa ko. Ayun siya, oh. Oops. Try the Las Tugas fresh pork avocado breaded and deep fried to a light golden brown. Serve it up with better maple cheese fajitas. Yan siya. Yan yung itsura niya. Las Tugas. Las Tortillas. Try natin. Kain ko. Sarap, diba? Avocado siya. Init gatay. Tingnan yung kay Jowers. Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo. What's that? Avocado siya, guys. Sarap. Good. Try with chicken. Cheesy. Ano nangyari sa akin? Ano yun? Huh?
It's pretty good.
Good? Good, ha? Tingnan muna yung bag ko, guys. They have extra cheese here. Cheese. Huh? I don't like this. Listen. Cheesy. Ang sarap. Sarap, guys. Really good. Ano was it called? What's that?
He didn't call me. I meant to call him.
He's done in army. He's done. You don't want to stay longer? Oh, the other one is so cheesy. Oh, cheese. White cheese, your favorite one? Can't eat it all.
Should have seen, like, when I showed up, everyone's like, oh my god.
Oh, the retired people?
All the old veterans and stuff. Like, you know what I mean? Holy crap.
They invited you?
Yeah, well, I'm part of the VFW in the American Legion. And they sent out who wants to go, you know what I mean? I showed up and everyone said, wow, you showed up, you know what I mean?
Maybe the you retired, you know, maybe they can help you.
Yeah.
I know they do. Honestly, it's good to live around with the retired people. That in same thing that you've been through. And I see that there's a lot of it compared to New York. I don't see much. Oh my god, this is so cheesy. I'm already full. Can't eat it all. I like the cheese on it so much. I'm not like, see? I don't know. I just don't know since I cut my carbs like junky food, it hurts my stomach. I only eat watermelon and fruits dinner.
Yeah.
Because my stomach don't want it too much in it. See? Yeah.
One love fruit? Or do you get those?
That's sweet one.
Sweet, yes.
Sweet? Okay.
That's my taste. So cheesy. Bye guys, I'll see you guys on my next mukbang. Bye.
On it, and it's a video.